on up.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today I'm kind of going to do another unveiling of a new product that I purchased, and we're going to put it together and show you what it is, and probably do our first use of it. So let's go on in to the Rshack shop and I'll show you this item that we purchased. All right, so what we have here is the Bayou Classic 9-gallon deep fryer, stainless. I'm not really a Cajun guy, but I wanted a deep fryer, and I want one that I could do quite a bit on. And doing the research, I saw this one. There's a few other ones out there, and it seemed like this was the best one for the money. There's bigger ones, there's smaller ones, but this seemed to be the one that would meet what I want out of a deep fryer. And, you know, all we can do is put it together and see what she does. So let's get into unboxing it. So we're going to use the 9-gallon fryer tonight. Take the cover off of it that I have on it. So what we need to do is take the fry baskets out. Here. Need to fill it full of oil. And what I have are two, what are these? I think these are 4-gallon. Okay, so we got our oil down in there. Next thing would be hooking up the gas, and we should be ready to fire her off. Okay, so you saw that we used the Bayou Classic deep fryer propane for the first time, 9-gallon, doing these French fries up. It's a learning curve. I got to learn how to do it. It took it about 20 minutes to get up to the recommended 350 temp. And then I put the fries in there, and it probably took about 8 minutes to get them to the doneness. Should have probably pulled them in about 5 minutes. These almost look overdone. And then we did the burgers up on the little Blackstone Adventure with bacon and cheese and all kinds of goodies on it. So very little mustard, because I don't particularly like mustard on my burgers. But anyhow, let's taste how these fries came out. Put a little bit of ketchup on them. Those are pretty good. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're definitely done. I like fries. Almost as good as McDonald's. Maybe a little darker, but anyhow, that was a pretty fun cook. You know, got to play with the oil. I got a way to reuse it. They say on these, you can almost get a full year on it before you have to replace it. The oil doesn't break down the way they design it. I got that on Amazon, and you know, we will keep experimenting. I want to do some chicken and some fish. Yeah, that sounds good. Anyhow, we want to get to eating here. So like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching and grill on.